Hey travelers, planning a trip to Libya? Let me guide you through the simple steps to get your Libya eVisa. First things first, the Libya eVisa lets you apply completely online, no need to visit an embassy. How cool is that? Before you start your application, make sure you have the essentials. A valid passport with at least 6 months left, a recent passport-sized photo, proof of accommodation, and a clear idea of your travel plans. Got them? Great. Head over to the official Libya eVisa platform. You'll need to fill out a form with your personal details, passport info, and details about your visit. Double-check everything. Errors can cause delays. Once that's done, you'll pay the application fee online. The system will confirm receipt of your application and payment. Processing times can vary, but typically you'll hear back within 7 to 14 working days. So, plan ahead. When your eVisa gets approved, it'll be sent right to your email. Print it out and carry it with your passport when you enter Libya. Remember, it's crucial to stay updated on any changes or additional requirements. For more detailed guidance, visit qbs.li/insights/libya-evisa-how-to-secure-your-Libyan-visa. This video is brought to you by Cabus Consulting and Training, a leading consulting firm in North Africa. Based in Tripoli, Libya, we specialize in operations, risk strategy, and training. We help clients navigate an increasingly dynamic and globalized landscape. Safe travels, everyone.